welcome back to my channel. Happy Holi to each and every one of you, especially my Hindu brothers and sisters. How are you guys doing? I trust that you guys are doing great. So, as you all know, it's Holi and I'm heading down to the Border Cricket Ground where a huge celebration will be happening there. Later on this afternoon, I'll probably go to the National Stadium and maybe Everest. And I'm taking you guys along with me. But before I go, let's show y'all. I got a personal driver today. My brother, Kevin. Yeah, he's gonna be my driver today. And yeah, I'll get time to record. Come with me and let's have some fun together. So meanwhile, I'll show y'all how the road looking up. It's a bright and sunny Friday. It doesn't even feel like Friday today, guys. Feels more like a Sunday. And as I'm making my way down Border, you guys might be lucky to see a few vehicles on the road with folks playing Pagua, celebrating Pagua. Now let's show y'all how we Guyanese does play Pagua. See that? One truckload of folks. I'm sure they have a barrel there. Yeah, I could see a barrel. They have a barrel along there with water. And they play Pagua. But people, look, they went to spray water on the bus. This is how we celebrate. Oh, I can't wind up my window because you know they're gonna spray stuff on me. So I have arrived at Border Ground here. We're super duper hungry because we didn't have breakfast as yet. A lot of folks out here, man. You can see people playing Pagua along at the street to the end there. I can't zoom up to show y'all because I'm recording with the GoPro. Huh? First time you come here for Pagua? Now we have the police officer over there, you know, helping out with the traffic flow. Wow, my first time here at Border Ground. I wanted to do something a little bit different this year. Hello, happy Holi. I look so clean. I know by the time I go in there. Yeah, I'll see how clean I look. Real clean, right? By the time I go in there, I'm sure I'm gonna come out all colorful. Wow. So packed in there, man. They have like a little dancing going on there right now. Look at these folks down here. How they're celebrating Holi. This is the entrance here. Wow. Everything is looking so vibrant down here. Festivals like Holi and Pagua is something I really look forward to. Look, we have you know where powder by? Look what powder people got on here. All color you think about it. Look.
Absolutely.
Thank you. Same to you. Yeah. Look, we're playing Holi with playing Holi with each other. Yes. We're already colorful.
Happy Holi.
Same to you.
Oh my God.
Are you okay? some other stuff selling over here. Some, this looks like farsad. And look, they're doing it all fresh. They have a stove down there. Well, this stand already sold out, so I think we ain't gonna settle with some of the stuff from over here. What do you want from this stand? What do you want from there? We could probably buy some of these. Hello, what is this?
This is Gujia.
Gujia. Okay. Can we have some?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you selling it?
500, 2 for 500.
2 for 500. Can we have 6?
6.
Oh, 6, yes.
Call once again on your Rajasthani dance group.
Yeah, in a little bowl. Yeah, that's fine. 2 in a bowl.
Yes. You want 6, right?
Yes, 6. So we're getting some gujia here. This is my first time having this. I've never had this before. Not sure what it's made of. Thank you. Thank you.
But you need to change. You are taking the pakora as well? I will buy that.
It's okay. You can put some of that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 pakora.
Yeah.
So it's okay.
Oh, so that's pakora. That's not baigani. I thought it was baigani.
You must not miss that. You should cover that, what he's doing.
Oh yeah? So Kev, you can hold these bowls for me. Let me go to front, come back. Yeah. I'll be back.
His Excellency Dr. Mohammad Irfan Ali, President of the Cooperative Republic of Guyana, Honorable Attorney General, Honorable Minister Ramson, my distinguished colleagues from the Diplomatic Corps, members of the Indian community and the Indian diaspora here in Guyana, and all the friends of India here in Guyana, and my dear brothers and sisters from Guyana. A very warm welcome to all of you to our Phagwa celebration this morning. First of all, I would like to mention that it is a great honor for us that His Excellency has come and joined us for this celebration. As you all know, Phagwa or Holi is a celebration which, as a part of our civilizational and cultural heritage, is celebrated widely in India and as well as in Guyana. And more importantly, this is not a celebration only of a particular community, but there is a larger meaning attached to it. Both in India and Guyana, we have multi-religious, multi-ethnic societies. So Holi is an occasion when all of us come together and celebrate, which is certainly a true celebration of the spirit of life. After the long winter, this is a festival to welcome the spring. When the entire nature is full of colors, this is also in a way a celebration of those bright colors, which is an indication of happiness, forgetting our differences and coming and joining hands together. Both in India and Guyana, along with the festival of Holi, I think our brothers and sisters from the Muslim community, they are also following Ramadan, and that is also a period of prayers to Almighty for all the bounties and all His blessings to all of us. And our friends from the Christian community, they are also observing Lent, starting from the Ash Wednesday. And for them as well, this is a time to pray to Almighty for the happiness, prosperity, and well-being for all our brothers and sisters. So with these words, I would like to once again extend my warmest greetings to all of you on the occasion of Holi, and may I pray the deep friendship between India and Guyana continues to flourish, and together we can make this whole world a place to cherish with well-being, prosperity and happiness for each and every one of us. Thank you. I welcome you once again to our celebration today, and especially I would like to welcome our group which has come all the way from India, the Rajasthani folk group, who are performing specially for us today. They have also performed in other parts of Guyana. They have been to Berbice, they have been to Essequibo, and they received a very warm response from all our brothers and sisters from Guyana, which is in a way the strengthening of bonds between India and Guyana, which are so strong that recently during the visit of Honorable Prime Minister of India, we saw the kind of welcome that he received. and all of you had welcomed him with a grand welcome, which I think we will never forget. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the performances. Greetings once again on the occasion of Phagwa Holi. Thank you.
one tastes better. I like the pakora.
Just sweet.
This one's kind of sweet. I really don't like too much sweet, but it's good for those of you who like sweet.
Thank you.
I
so
think this
much.
is made out of
Preserving
coconuts.
tradition
Yeah.
and culture. I definitely.
brass or metal container or pots on their head. The dancer also performs intricate movements and dances on the edge of a sword or sharp nails.
Hello, happy Holi.
Amongst other things. Let's see what surprises me. Let's enjoy this performance by the Rajasthan dancers.
Well, hello. Happy Holi.
Oh man. You did. You made
I
it.
did. Happy Holi.
Happy Holi to you. How are you so shiny like man?
I come out shiny now, man. I come out shiny.
Alright. Oh, sorry. You might not be able to see now.
That's okay.
Happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
God, buddy. This man over here, your bodyguard. Oh, your head so shiny like man. What happened?
My driver.
Oh, your driver. Happy Holi, buddy. Alright. Yeah. Man. So you tried the food?
Yeah, we've been right this.
So you've been here a long time?
Yeah. Yeah, see how shiny that is? Look, watch me now.
ladies and gentlemen. I believe I'm speechless. I don't know about you. Another round of applause, please. So actually the platform is really hot, and also with the wind, she could have performed a long more time, and she would have loved to, but they're definitely coming out again with more surprises. So we'll keep that enthusiasm. So ladies and gentlemen, once again, what grace, what skill and balance. Now we have the joyous Holiyame Unit Gulab.
Happy Bhagwa! Me here. President Ji, Happy Bhagwa. Prime Minister Ji, Happy Bhagwa. And all the dignitaries here. You are welcome from my soul, from my heart. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands together.
One of my favorite songs.
Vindhya Prasad in our presence today, Minister of Human Services and Social Security. And also in our presence, spouse of the Honorable Prime Minister, Ms. Mignon Phillips. Reminder also that we have sweetmeats on sale from the Survey Group, available for purchase. All proceeds goes to charity.
This is so nice down here. You can come and get food for free. Some nice food too. You enjoy Pago, bye? You want to send Pago greetings to anybody? Everybody looking? And everybody looking. Some kind of rice here. I don't know. This looks like a little milk salad. And we have some chana and some other stuff here. We get rice here. Take the roti kind of thing and dip it.
Chana?
Yeah. How it is? Oh my gosh. I heard that Indian food really tastes good. Very tasty, guys. We were very hungry. So this payment was used. The food is very tasty. Witness a fire dance now.
बालिक उम्र से भक्ति कर दी, तुम्हें छोड़ के कहीं
so much. Another round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. They are so talented.
So talented. Alright guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this video here because I don't want to make this video too long. I hope you guys had fun with me. I'm not sure what else I'll be doing. I think I want to go to the stadium, but if I do, I'll do another video for that. Hope you guys had fun with me here at the Border Cricket Ground. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, I'm saying take care, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye for now.